Hey guys, make sure you watch until the end to see how you can win free gear and products. Hey, this is PJ with CLK Supplies, and this is the Super Wedge Pinning Kit by Lab. Now, if pinning kits were pickup trucks, your plastic cased pinning kit would be like your 1500, and your metal cased universal pinning kit would be a 2500. And this Super Wedge pinning kit would by far be your 3500 HD. I mean, this thing has everything you could ever want out of a pinning kit with a whole bunch of extra features, right? Like, this is the highest level. This is the 1 ton of pickup trucks. Let's zoom in and I'll give you a closer look. Now, this Super Wedge pinning kit is a universal pinning kit. This one I'm going to be showing you here is a 3/1000 version. Now, if you don't know the difference between a 3/1000 or 5/1000 universal pinning kit, or you really don't even understand what a universal pinning kit is, go ahead and go to the notes below, and I'm going to put a link to a video that I did where I really go over the whole history and the differences between the 3 and the 5/1000 increments universal pins. Now, this pinning kit here on the top, it's really everything that you would expect out of a universal pinning kit. But as far as the size go, it's about 22 inches long, about 8 inches deep, and about 5 inches tall here in the front, probably another inch or so in the back. It's about 6 inches in the back, all right? Now, I'll go ahead and open it up here, and it's gonna look identically to a universal pinning kit. It's gonna have your color-coded pins, about 75 sizes, or 75 pins of each size. It's gonna have some color-coded charts up here for like Kwikset and Schlage, Yale, Arrow, and so on. And it's really great. Now, what really separates this Super Wedge is this drawer beneath it. Now, as you can see, this drawer is huge. It has a ton of space here to put all sorts of different tools and parts, right? As you can see, I put a leashy cutter in here. I threw in a couple other items. This is really like a main workstation. All right, now you might be noticing, what's going on right here? What is this? And what that is it's a special cutout so you can put the Lab pinning block right in there up top here. I'll go ahead and put a link to the notes below if you want to take a closer look at that. Now, this way, you're really set up if you think about it. You could actually do all of your work right here. You could use the pinning tray if you want. There's a bunch of extra spots here. I put some tweezers, follower, that kind of stuff, and plenty of extra space. And that's what really makes this Super Wedge pinning kit unique. And the one last thing I really love about this Super Wedge pinning kit is how the pins sit here at an angle. Not only is it really easy to see the sizes of pins you need, you don't have to kind of peek over at them to see, but it also kind of gives you that fun cockpit kind of feel that you're sitting there, everything's right there where you need, and you can get the job done. And that's the Super Wedge pinning kit by Lab. What do you think of it? Put in the comments below. I'd love to know your thoughts. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Since you just watched this video, I'm guessing that you work with locks and keys. And to us at CLK Supplies, that makes you a lock boss. And we want to hook you up. Here's how it works. Every week, join the conversation and comment on our posts and videos and include the hashtag lockboss. Every Tuesday, we choose 5 winners from the previous week and are gonna hook you up with all sorts of prizes, including gear, tools, supplies, maybe a key machine. We might even buy you lunch. So if you're a lock boss, join us every week to learn, grow, and win.